everyone! So today we're going to visit our friend from Belyacanang, Cabutuan City. For today's video, I'm preparing my face guys para maging maganda naman tayo paglabas ng bahay kasi minsan nga lang tayo makalabas. Honestly guys, hindi talaga ako nagme-makeup sa loob ng bahay or I don't care what is my looks inside of our home. Anyway guys, ang palagi ko palang ginagamit everyday is Habibi Glowing Set kasi nahiyang talaga ako nito guys. So ito talaga yung binibili ko kapag maubos na itong product na to. And also, very soft to siya sa mukha ko. And nahiyang ako because I am morena. This product guys is very good for morena women. Pero nakadepende lang talaga ito guys sa inyong skin type kung mahiyang talaga kayo nitong product ni Habibi Glowing Set. Kaya ito na talaga yung minintain ko na product kasi nga nawala yung mga pimples ko noon. And of course, sobrang soft siya sa mukha ko. Ganyan talaga ako maglagay guys para mas worth it talaga ito sa buong mukha ko. So after that guys is maglalagay ako ng Ashley Shine Foundation. Ito talaga ang pinaka the best na foundations na nabili ko dito sa TikTok kasi nga sobrang ganda niya, especially pang morena. And also guys, very simple lang talaga ako maglagay ng makeup sa face ko kasi nga hindi pwedeng maging baga kaayo sa dagway. Kasi parang mag-sunburn ako kapag lalagyan ko ng mas marami. Kaya light lang talaga yung makeup ko. And of course, hindi ako marunong masyadong mag-makeup. Kaya ganito talaga ako mag-makeup kapag lalabas ako ng bahay or pupunta kami sa God Place. Bago namin binisita ang kaibigan namin guys or friend namin is in-invite talaga nila kami guys na pumunta sa kanilang bahay because palagi na lang daw sila yung bumibisita sa amin dito. And that time na bago nila kami in-invite guys is naghimo sila og mango floats. So, nag-decide mi na mobisita na lang pod mi sa ilaha. Para na din makita ko yung place nila and of course yung bahay nila. I am also very excited to see them and to talk my friend and of course to see their place. At hindi na talaga ako makapaghintay na makapunta na talaga sa kanila para na din na makalaag mi diadto and of course makalabas kami sa lungga namin. And excited ko na rin matikman yung mango float na ginawa nila para din sa amin and of course, gawa to ng kaibigan namin. I am very grateful guys na meron kaming friend na very nice and very humble kasi nga minsan lang talaga magkaroon ng friend na sobrang bait at how they treat us as their friend. Kaya I always appreciated them, especially yung pag-invite nila sa amin, sa house nila. And wala na talaga akong ibang masasabi guys kasi nga I cannot explain everything, I cannot tell everything kasi it's a long story. Anyway guys, malapit na nga kami nakarating sa bahay nila at nakatira sila sa subdivision. So, nag-grab talaga kami guys patungo sa kanila pero yung grab guys hindi nila alam yung address kahit na nilagay na namin sa location or address. So, binaba talaga kami guys dito sa address na hindi niya alam and I don't know why. So, maybe the location is incorrect or it's just a mistake. So we searched their house guys until I text my friend na nandito na kami. So, we're just walking 5 minutes and then she told me na susunduin kami ng husband niya kasi daw sobrang layo ng narating namin. So, I am very glad guys na ang bilis nakarating ng husband niya sa place na binabaan namin. At sabi niya sa akin sobrang init daw and I told her na it's okay kasi nga sanay naman tayo sa mainit. Nandito tayo sa Pilipinas. So, ayun na nga guys, andito na kami sa bahay nila and yung house talaga nila guys ay sobra talagang ganda. At malaki din yung house nila and I'm very amazed and guys. Of course, I meet her daughter again and sobrang sweet talaga ng anak nila guys and very beautiful, very cute, and I can't believe how stunning their daughter is. Kaya na-enjoy talaga ako sa bahay nila guys kasi yung bata sobrang kulit and of course hindi ka talaga masumhan og tanaw sa naong sa bata because it's really beautiful. So ganda talaga ang lahi ng isang Filipina at American. And of course guys, my friend offered us a mango float that we are waiting. Sobrang sarap talaga guys ng pagkakagawa niya sa mango float and we really appreciated that. Also, I can't stop eating but I'm already full. So, sabi ko sa kanya guys, I'm already full and I cannot eat whole box. So while nag-usap sila ng husband ko guys and my friend na lumabas siya sa bahay guys para bumili siya ng cold water and soft drinks is nakipaglaro muna ako sa kanyang anak kasi nga parang hindi na siya nababaguhan sa amin. So, muduol na gyud ang iyang anak sa kuha guys. So, na-amaze talaga ako sa kanya guys. Honestly guys, mahilig talaga ako sa bata kapag lumalapit sa akin at hindi ignorante. Char! And I really like her daughter guys kasi nga sobrang bait din yung anak nila. And also, especially yung panganay nila na anak, super humble din. Like my friend, very humble. And also guys, nakita ko talaga yung anak niya na super enjoy talaga, palaging nanonood ng TV, nanonood siya ng mga anime or mga gusto niya, especially yung mga ganiyang show. So nakikita ko talaga sa kanila guys na sobrang good talaga yung pagpapalaki nila sa kanilang mga anak and how their family is really good and full of happiness and joy. I really admire their family and their happiness together. And also, I am very happy to my friend kasi nga sobrang happy niya sa life niya and she has no problem in life. Especially na sobrang mahal talaga siya ng kanyang husband like me. So it means my husband loves me so much and I am so happy that the husband of my friends really loves her so much. Especially he really loves his daughter and that is a really good thing for them. I really see guys na sobrang happy talaga nila na mag-asawa and how their life is really good. They are full of happiness and joy together with their family. And anyway guys, sobrang peaceful sa place nila and sobrang laki ng lugar and also sobrang quiet. So wala talagang noise dyan or mga chismosa sa lugar talaga nila kasi nga bawal makapasok yung outsiders sa subdivision nila. So it's really good to live a subdivision place kasi nga wala talagang gulo and especially wala masyadong tao sa labas and you really enjoyed outside kasi nga sobrang silent and quiet. Kung introvert ka guys, that is really good place for you. The one that I really like the place guys is yung labas nila is sobrang linis and of course yung kalsada is really clean. And also, very secure talaga yung place nila kasi nga may security guard and of course CCTV and everything. So, secure na secure talaga and very safe. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and God bless you all.